Hey guys, Dani here. Thank you so much for joining me. I have an awesome total body strengthening workout for beginners and complete beginners today. So I hope that you will join me, and I just know that you're gonna love this workout. So let's get ready to give it our best. So we are going to get into a plank. So we're going to get onto our elbows, and we're gonna hold this plank for 30 seconds starting now. Keeping your abs in tight. If you are a total beginner, you guys can just drop to your knees. Also, hold this as long as you can. You can be a total beginner and just hold this for 10 seconds off the knees if that is what's best for you. What I want you to do is try to challenge yourself for each 30-second hold that we do today. So think about your breathing in the nose, out the mouth. Make sure, guys, that your elbow is in line with your shoulder, okay? You don't want to be offset. Okay, so now we're gonna get ready to do the same plank, only this time we're gonna lift one leg off the ground. Again, if you're a total beginner, you are more than welcome to drop that one knee to the ground, which would look like this, okay? But if we're going to really challenge ourselves, we're gonna try to keep both knees off the ground and then bring one leg up, squeezing and contracting the glute. You're gonna feel this all through your body, you guys. There's not a part you're not gonna feel contracting right now. Feeling shoulders, core, back, glutes, hamstrings, and quads. It's a stinger, that's for sure. Hold on to it. Again, just stay with me as long as you can. If you can't do the full 30 seconds, that's okay. Take rests when you need to. Awesome, now we're gonna rest for 20, and we're gonna get ready to go back into that other leg, bringing the other leg off the ground. Shake those shoulders off, woo. Okay, it's gonna be coming any minute now. Getting ready for that third plank, lifting the other leg off the ground. There we go. Hold on to it, breathe through it in the nose and out the mouth. Abs in tight, glute contracted. Feeling it all over. This is really gonna make you strong if you wanna get stronger in push-ups, really whatever kind of body weight exercises you wanna be able to do, this is gonna help you get there. Hold on to it and breathe. Awesome job, you guys. Okay, so we just finished with those elbow planks, so now we're gonna move up to our palms, and on this one, we're gonna do a knees bent plank, keeping our knees bent on our toes when the timer starts. Again, keeping your abs in tight and your arms in a straight line from shoulders to wrist. All right, here we go. So, nice straight line, trying to keep your back straight. Again, your heels are off the ground, knees are bent, kind of making a perfect L with your knees or your legs if you can, okay, you guys? And really focus on drawing in that core, meaning pulling your belly button into your spine. Holding on to it as long as you can and breathing through it. Awesome job, you guys. I know at this point you might start feeling some tension in those shoulders. So we're gonna do the same thing, and this time we're gonna lift one leg up, still keeping the knee bent. So again, complete beginners, if you can't hold it for 30 seconds, that's okay. Just do your best for today. And when you come back to do these videos, I promise you guys are gonna be able to hold them longer. So we're just extending from the glute, okay? Keeping my foot flexed, keeping my arms in a straight line, abs in tight, breathing, and just really holding on to this position. This is where you're really gonna start to feel this particular position really burn. Oh yeah, like my left leg is a little shaky. You might be feeling this too. Awesome, so now we're gonna rest, and then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. This is a great time to just kind of shift your butt back, stretch out those arms a little bit, and then get centered again for the next interval. Focusing your mind on what your goals are. Right now, our goals are to strengthen and tone our bodies. Everything we want to do it right. And at our 100% maximum effort. I always want to give it my best every time I do this. Holding it, holding it. Always something I tell myself is quitters never win and winners never quit. So I'm not going to quit on this 30 seconds. I'm going to push through it. I'm going to hold it. And awesome job, you guys. Whew. So our next exercise, you guys, we're going to do that somewhat same move, only we're going to lengthen our legs by locking the knees out, and we're going to lift one leg up from here, okay? So here we go. Extend that leg, and again, I'm trying to hold my shoulders over my elbows and then elbows over my wrists. Abs in tight. You're gonna feel your glute contract and tighten up, and that's what we want. We want a nice tight butt, huh? Breathing and really just holding on to this move right here. Going strong. Woo, good job, you guys. Rest for 20 seconds. Again, shift back. Try to work out the kinks in the arms. Maybe your glutes are tight. Maybe you need to stop for a second and stretch your legs. That's fine too. You're gonna get ready for that next set. And it's coming. There it is. Hold that other leg up. If you feel like you're not in a straight line over your arms, shift so that you feel all that weight on your shoulders. If you need to shift back just to take some weight off for a second, you can do that. But then try to go right back, keeping the weight over the shoulders again. And this leg that you have up, just get it up as high as you can, you guys. Woo, oh yeah. So now we're gonna flip over and we're gonna do a tabletop hold. So, feet flat on the floor. From here, my hands point my butt, so fingertips to butt. If it's more comfortable for you to turn them out or back, that's fine. And we're gonna extend and make a flat tabletop out of our body here. And we're just gonna hold it. And I really want you to think about your hamstrings, your glutes, and just squeezing them while you're in this position. Go back and pull your abs in nice and tight, you guys. Just looking up at the ceiling. Shoulders, again, directly over the wrists. So nice straight line. Oh, good job, you guys. So now we're gonna do that, and this time we're gonna extend one leg up off the ground. So just hold this as long as you can. You're gonna feel your quadricep burn on this next one. Woo, I already know. All right, here we go. So here, extend that one leg out. Feel that quadricep. Let's try to flex that foot. I always feel more muscles contracting when I keep my feet flexed in certain positions. This is one of them. Really feeling that quad, really feeling the hamstring of the opposite leg that is holding me up. Everything's on fire right now. Just hold on tight and bear with it. Telling yourself how strong and able you are. Woo, now we get to rest. Shake it off, you guys. We're going in for the opposite leg. And just, you guys, if you keep doing these, if you come back and do these videos, you're gonna notice that you can hold it for longer and longer. And next thing you know, you're gonna be ready to progress to some even more awesome body weight exercises. Hold on to it. Keep that leg out, extended. Keep that booty up, off the ground, and hold. Starting to get shaky, I'm with you. It's all good. That's our muscles just getting more tight and more tone and helping us burn some more fat, you guys. All right, so now we're gonna go into a side plank. So we're gonna shift over onto our side. Complete beginners, you can definitely do this exercise with one knee on the ground. So you'd be here, or you can challenge yourself 2 feet off the ground, or 2 knees off the ground, right here. Okay, keep those hips up, abs in, shoulders getting stronger here, and and making sure that we are open here. We don't want to be down, covering our face with our elbow. We want to open up to the ceiling. Abs engaged the whole time. Good job, you guys. Going strong. Hold on to it. Woo, good. Drop it down. I'm gonna flip myself around. And now we're gonna do the opposite side. And you guys, this is our finale to the workout today. So yeah, way to stick it out. And up. Making sure we're in a nice straight line. If you feel off, get yourself in that straight line and get back up. Staying strong with it. Your arms might be tired at this point. Just do your best on this last move. You got this. Keeping it open. Also want to think about having a straight line from elbow to elbow. So, woo, there we go. Guys, that was it. That's awesome. I know you just did an awesome job. I know you did your best. So way to go. So glad that you guys joined me for this strengthening and toning beginners full body workout. You guys keep coming back to this video and keep trying to push for that full 30 seconds. And if you pass that 30 seconds, try more, try longer periods of time, 40 to a minute. Either way, you are gonna get stronger and you're gonna be happier and better for it. So if you have questions, comments, concerns, please leave those in the comments below. And of course, if you like what's going on here on Psychetruth, we would love for you to subscribe to the channel. Until next time, I'm Dani. Keep it happy, keep it healthy.
With hundreds of videos that you can stream on virtually any device to help you reduce stress, lose weight, or just improve your health and well-being overall. At wellnessplus.tv, we are dedicated to helping you on your health and wellness journey. Join wellnessplus.tv to find hundreds of videos to help you improve the health of your body and your mind. wellnessplus.tv. Get well, feel better.